Hey, it's Crispy and AZ, and I've just finished building this Rokr London travel. And you can see one of the problems I have. There are two problems I see with it really. It's not lifting high enough to get onto that ramp. And the other problem I'm having is deep inside. You see this ball down at the end of the stick is just not moving. So what's happening is inside there's this little lever on that has Harry Potter on a witch's brew at front. And you can see that ball stuck. It's just not moving. Sometimes the ball goes through, but generally it doesn't. I think the biggest problem is probably Harry's just not going up far enough to get things moving. But, you know, I think it's assembled properly. But if anybody else has had that problem and has a solution, I'm all ears. As you can see, yeah, balls just don't come off. Okay, that's it for now.